Hello everyone, welcome back for another video, welcome back for another workout. Full body functional strength for today. Take your mat, let's get started. Inhale first deeply. Exhale. Don't forget, inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay. Now let's just move first. We're gonna work on our upper back, and then hips, and then core, everything together. Inhale first deeply. Exhale, drop your shoulders down. From here, push up from your shoulder blades. Open your right arm up. Switch. Inhale. Exhale. Switch. Left. Okay. Moving lower legs from your left side. Please rotate your leg outside, then back, then forward. Outside, back, and forward. Here we go. 1, 2. Now just move. 3, 4, 5. 8 times. 6, 7. Last one. 8. Hold here. Lock your core, lower back. Elevate your right leg in front and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you switch. Take a deep breath. Right side, outside, and 2. Now just move. 3. Feel every angle. 5, 6. Go ahead. 7. Nice. 8, 9, 10. Hold. Elevate the left leg up and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Place your knees together, arms closed. Inhale. We're going to twist the butt towards the right side. You need to feel the stretch in your lumbar. Then inhale. Left side. Okay. Leg square. Take a deep breath. Down dog. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, plank position. Hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 shoulder taps. Left arm, right arm, then knee touch. Right and left. Here we go. 20 totally. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3. Push. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Resting with our arms, core, Pay attention what I'm going to do. I will elevate two legs up. I will keep my lower back straight. What I want to mention here, please, if you cannot do this exercise properly, you can put one leg on the ground and do the same thing with two, with one leg on the ground. But I'll try to do with two legs elevated. Keep your legs straight, lower back straight. This is the most important thing. We're gonna do 20 left, right. So straight legs in front, arms up. What we're gonna do, keep your lower back tight, straight. We're gonna twist and twist and here we go. 20. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. Push. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Straight after that, lie down, bridge with one leg. Right side is pushing, left is fully straight. Hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down. Then we switch. Right leg front, elevate, push your left side. 10. Hold 9, 8, 7. Hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep holding. Release. From here we elevate our chest, elevate our legs 90 degrees. From here open arms towards the side. We're going to lower our legs. 20. 1, 2. Nice. 3, 4. Go ahead. 5, 6, 7. Flat back. 8, 9, 10. Continue. 1. Push. 2. Nice. 3. Go ahead. 4, 5, 6. Flat back. 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly up. Take a deep breath. Place your arms on your knees. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay. Back. Lie down. Left leg straight in front. We're gonna switch left, right. 20, 2, 4, 6. Nice. 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And up. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. Then we go forward. Down dog first. Hold 5 seconds. From here, we're gonna bend our elbows. We're gonna push down. Nice and smooth. Focusing on our shoulders and back. Here we go. 20. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. Let's push. 1, 2, 3. Down dog. And push forward. 5, 6, 7. Nice. 8. Girls can do regular push-ups. 9, 10. 10 more. Go ahead. And 2. Push. 3, 4, 5. Nice. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay. Moving forward, standing up. From here, we're gonna do lunge backwards. But then, I want to, after that, we're gonna step back, side, middle, up. And then switch left, side, middle, up. Here we go. We're gonna do 20 each side. Inhale. First, right leg backwards. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, keep working, 9, 10, 10 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10, and up. Awesome. Knees on the ground. The next one we're going to do Nordic lunge. We're going to drive backwards. First, open your legs towards the side, sit down first. Let's flex a little bit our quad. Enjoy, 5 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, squeeze forward, squeeze your hip forward, engage your butt, everything forward. And then from here, slowly we're going to drive down and back. 12, 2, as slow as possible. 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12. Awesome, arms on the ground, we go to down dog. Breathe, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We elevate the left foot up, hold 10 seconds, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here we drive the left foot towards the side, towards the right side. We're gonna open up our arm up, feel the stretch, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we switch, down dog, elevate your right foot straight back, hold 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, push, 4, 3, 2, 1, towards the side, left one, up, open up, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, arms on the ground, down dog, knees on the ground. Okay, then we continue, hip strength, inhale, left knee open towards the side and hold, 10, 9, 8, 7, hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we switch. Exhale, right leg. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's it. Awesome, we are done. Quick one, efficient. Hope you're doing well. Enjoy. Try this workout. Let me know how it feels. Let me know how it goes. Wish you all the best. Peace out.